No way. Pero te digo que ya esos tipos me están ofreciendo tu dinero para acá.
Yo, D, you got some last words?
Last words are this, right?
For Club Lido.
Alright. For Club Lido, keep doing what you're doing. BTW, zoom the camera right there. See that guy right there? He's all fucked up. Alright. Keep that fucking guy. Period. Alright? Second. Right? That's first. Second, right? The staff is a motherfucking bomb, right? So always keep it together. This guy right here is a motherfucking shitnik. This guy on the other side of the camera is a motherfucking shitnik. His name is Joe Cody, just in case folks don't see that. Post that shit on Facebook tomorrow.